Okay, I don't fucking believe this. This is my yard. See this big tree out here? Or see that line back there of stuff? That's where the creek used to be. My chicken coop is gone. Completely gone. My poor chickens that were in that coop. You can see the grass over here. These chickens are okay, but it got close. You can see the rushing water. The grass is totally... Oh shit, I just went up to my ankles in mud. Come out here and look at this. It came all the way up to the fence. There's a huge log in the backyard now. It came all the way up to the fence. It's all the way over there. Look at the grass over there. It's totally flat. The pigs are on the front porch. These chickens are okay. Oh my God. My chicken coop is completely freaking gone. Just gone. This log was not here. This log was all the way over there. This grass is totally flat. Jesus Christ. All this because of one little storm. My poor freaking chickens. I mean, my chicken coop was huge and it was heavy as hell, and it's just fucking gone. Thank God the little ones were up here. They're okay, I think. Doesn't look like it got quite to them. Close, but not quite. Jesus Christ. You see those trees? These two here in front were on this side of the creek bed. I'm going to walk down here on the off chance that my chicken coop floated and got stuck somewhere. Fuck. This is unreal. Fucking unreal. I cannot believe all this water. I think I'm calling in to work today, at least for the morning. So I'm going to go see if I can find my chicken coop somewhere. This is fucking ridiculous.